What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dawg, and I'm back with another video, man. So today we're gonna be picking up some, we'll just call it crane parts, down here near Mobile, Alabama, and it's going up in Missouri, not too far away from St. Louis. And in the meantime, man, you know what it is. If you need a truck, go on to Lone Mountain. Check out my cool shirt that say Lone Mountain. Check out their website, the inventory. Look at their down payment, monthly payment, so you can find your next truck. That's a pretty heavy duty looking forklift. If you look on the back, that's extra weight just to sit down to keep everything balanced, man. That's pretty cool. I got another forklift over here getting me loaded right now, man. Weather pretty good today, man. Can't complain too much. They got a lot of big pieces of equipment out here, man. This is a lot of stuff. Let's see what this first little bit looks like. Okay. I'm gonna wait until I get the majority of everything on here, and then start throwing straps, because I hate to throw straps and then they be like, we're gonna stick this one up here. No, man, we gotta move this somewhere else now. All right, dog team, so this is all I'm getting, man. And when I tell you this is a freaking light load, when they put it on there, I'm asking him, I'm like, man, where you gonna put the rest of the stuff? He said, Zeke Dawg. I said, rude. He said, that's it, man. Dude, I'm about to be in the wind. Hey. And this load pay good too. Yes, sir. This load pay real good. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these straps tightened down on here. I could throw chains on here because it's metal, but straps gonna work. Straps gonna work with no problem. No problem. You hear me, fella? None at all. So let me finish this up. All right, dog team, I took a little extra time and I did what I call over-secured. I mean, it's never really over-securing, but I got way more straps than what I needed. All I needed was 11. I mean, all I needed was 7. I got 11 straps on there. A little bit of extra work. It's good peace of mind, just knowing that you got way more than what they tell you is recommended. Recommended and knowing what's good, it's two different things. By the length, it's 24 feet. I would have needed 3 straps within the first 10 feet. 1 strap after that, I'll be on the 20, and 1 more because it stopped at 24. That's it's 5 straps for all of that, and then 2 straps on the one on the front. That's 7 straps. Knowing what you need is the good thing. Putting what you want on there, that's the boss move right there. So, woo! Let's go do some trucking, man. All right, dog team, man, I got me a good night's sleep. Boy, she looking good. They looking good in the neighborhood. Them purples be hidden, man. We're gonna call this parking lot pimping mode. Alright, dog team, man, I stopped in Winona to get some diesel. I already topped off on diesel, but gotta get some of this DL crap. Boy, I swear. This is the bad part of trucking right here. Putting this stuff in your truck. I think if it becomes legal to not have to have this stuff on your truck, man, everybody gonna be jumping on them new trucks to buy something with straight motor and diesel. That's all you need. So I got my fuel caps on. Sometimes we get stupid out here. I did my load security check. Everything looking tight, looking good. You can't check it too many times, man. But it's holding. I haven't had to do anything to this. Got a nice looking load over there. Rebar is sticking out over the edge. Oh, that's not my business. Hold up. It's not my business. Unless he got an oversigned placard, which I ain't see one over there, but cap on over here. Yeah, he only sticking off about a half a foot. Y'all think I'm playing? I'm for real. I'm gonna look around and look over at a direct rear view to see if I can see what I see from right here. So, all right, man, let's roll. Let this driver go on, pull in. And yeah, I thought I was playing when I said it was sticking over the edge. Watch this. We're gonna look at it from a side view. Yeah, she over. Hey, if you can get away with it, get away with it, man. I'm not the DOT.
Baby, if you fall, I won't let you down. I'ma pick you up. You need daddy, you call. I don't care who's around. I'ma pick you up. Baby, if you fall, I won't let you down. I'ma pick you up. You need daddy, you call. I don't care who's around. I'ma pick you up. So fall on me, I won't fall back. I can guarantee you that. X1B, they'll get smacked. I can guarantee you that. Fall on me, I won't fall back. I can guarantee you that. X1B, they'll get smacked. I can guarantee you that. You know me, I'm always on my grind. I just got your snap, damn, baby girl, you fine. Tell me how you killing it, even when you at work. Single mama with the body, boys fall and get hurt. Baby, take it slow on them, they don't know no better. You need me, I'ma roll on them, calling any weather. Your ex don't want no problem, tell me what's the matter. You need me, I'ma roll on them, that'll treat you better. So fall on me, I won't fall back. I can guarantee you that your ex won't be, he'll get smacked. I can guarantee you that. Baby, if you fall, I won't let you down. I'ma pick you up. You need daddy, you call. I don't care who's around. I'ma pick you up. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah. He a beta boy, all he does is treat you badly. I'm an alpha male, baby girl, call daddy. Call her, ask what's up with you. Yeah, girl, I'm coming through. I ain't worried about him, baby. Tell me what you wanna do. He jumps on the phone, pussy on the route. Wanna touch a girl till I slide in your mouth. Wanna throw hands, you can come and find out. Pull up on go right in front of your house. Hot out ready, but you hide inside. Come on over here, baby girl, let's ride. Can't worth the tears every night you cry. Daddy got you, let me dry your eyes. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, if you fall, I won't let you down. I'ma pick you up. You need daddy, you call. I don't care who's around. I'ma pick you up. So fall on me, I won't fall back. I can guarantee you that. X1B, they'll get smacked. I can guarantee you that. Fall on me, I won't fall back. I can guarantee you that. X1B, they'll get smacked. I can guarantee you that. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah. It's on me. If you need me, babe, just call me. Call on me, yeah, yeah.
Checking out my wash. Wash look pretty decent. They got the mud that I had on here off. Yeah, we're looking pretty good. Man, y'all see Mr. Purple Urple. Man, I got my day makers down here. Boy, hey, that's a day and night difference, man. Day and night freaking difference. So, man, we looking good. And that's all I need now. So, man, appreciate y'all checking out these videos, man. Like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and join the dog team. So, until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.